there. How are you?
I'm fine.
You've done very well to be here the whole day.
Thank you.
How has today been, please?
So it's really fine. I'm happy going back with something today. Right now, I understand that good family is really, really very important. I really have not seen it in this light before.
Okay.
And I'm so happy because I'm going fully into
Would you say it was worth your time? It's been a
Yes,
long
it was.
day.
Yes, really long. I'm so tired, but I'm happy with the knowledge I've gotten.
That's amazing. Your name again?
I'm Messi Ogalago.
Messi. Thank you so much, Messi. Thank you.